Building and maintaining good credit for real estate financing. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this comprehensive journey into building and maintaining good credit for real estate financing, a crucial aspect of success in the real estate investment landscape. The significance of credit in real estate financing. As we embark on this exploration, let's first understand the pivotal role of credit in real estate financing. It's not just a number. It's the cornerstone of your financial credibility. Your credit score determines your eligibility for loans, affecting interest rates and influencing the array of financing options available to you. Moreover, delve into the real-life impact of credit scores on real estate investment opportunities. A higher credit score can open doors to projects that might be beyond reach with a lower score. Strategies for building and maintaining good credit. Now let's dive into practical strategies for building and maintaining good credit. Responsible credit card usage, ensuring timely payments, and managing outstanding debts strategically are fundamental in this journey. And what are the long-term benefits of maintaining good credit in the realm of real estate? It's not just about a number. It's an investment in your future endeavors. Good credit translates into more favorable loan terms, increased borrowing capacity, and a broader spectrum of investment opportunities. However, it's essential to be aware of common pitfalls in credit management. Late payments, high credit utilization, and neglecting your credit health can adversely affect your real estate ventures. Stay vigilant. The direct impact of credit scores. Illustrating the direct impact of credit scores, we see how it's more than just a numerical representation. Lenders use your credit score to evaluate your creditworthiness, directly influencing the costs of financing, and consequently, shaping your returns on real estate investments. As we conclude, I express sincere gratitude for your attentive participation. If you found this exploration insightful, your support matters. Kindly like this presentation, share it to spread the knowledge, and subscribe for a continuous flow of enriching content in the intricate world of real estate financing.